Alright, today let's first understand the theory of three important terminologies when using Microsoft Fabric. First one is the workspace. So, what is workspace in Microsoft Fabric? So, think workspace like a digital office where you organize all your data related projects. It's like a folder where you store different data sets, reports, and analytics tools. For example, if you're working on a sales analysis project, your workspace will contain all relevant data, dashboard, and queries related to sales. Now, your question might be, why do we need a workspace? So, workspace helps us to keep everything structured and organized. I hope you got the concept of workspace. Let's move on to Lakehouse. So now, what is Lakehouse? So Lakehouse is a combination of data lake and data warehouse. Imagine a huge storage room where you keep all kinds of raw data like customer details, sales transactions, and product information. The Lakehouse allows you to store, process, and analyze this data efficiently. This supports structured and unstructured data, making it flexible for different types of analytics. Now again, why do we need Lakehouse? So Lakehouse allows storing and analyzing large amounts of data. Let's move on to the last point, that is SQL Analytics Endpoint. As the name suggests SQL, you might have already made a guess. So SQL Analytics Endpoint is like a translator that helps us to query the data stored in Lakehouse using SQL, that is structured query language. If you have a large data set in your Lakehouse, we can use SQL queries to filter, analyze, and extract meaningful insights from it. For example, if you want to find out how many times sales happened last month, we can run SQL query in on SQL Analytics Endpoint. We'll check out there's all the three in the hands-on. So let's dive on to the hands-on to convert our theory knowledge into hands-on and practical use.